Hello everyone, in our second video of linear equation in two variables, we are going to see how to solve the linear equation. First of all, we will see the kind of questions we will get. The first type of questions you will get for finding the coefficients of the variables. The linear equation in two variables, it will be written in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, first variable is x, second variable is y, c will be constant. Okay, here a is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y. Now we will see the kind of questions. The first question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. In this question, we have to find the coefficient of x and y and constant also. So first of all, we will write this in the form of the standard form. What is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. How will write? 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar. So this is the standard form. Now here comparing this with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here comparing a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c will be 9.35, but sign will be minus, because in the standard form the sign is plus and here we have minus sign. So C is minus 9.35. Similarly, we will see one more question. Second question is y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is in the standard form, but here we don't have any coefficient of x. The x term is 0. So here a will be 0. What is the coefficient of y? It's 1. Y is equal to 1. And c will be minus 2. Minus 2. Now one more question. 2x is equal to minus 5y. What will be the first step? Write it in the form of standard form. What is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So first we will write down 2x minus 5y will come to the LHS, so it will be plus 5y is equal to 0. So comparing this with the standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here coefficient of x is 2. So a is equal to 2. Coefficient of y is b. So b is equal to 5. And c. We don't have any constant term. Both are variables. So here constant is 0. Now next kind of question we are going to see. In this type of question we will see finding the solutions. Suppose we are given an equation, x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now you have to check whether these given points are the solutions or not of the equation. What is the solution? Solution will be when we put the values, we will get coordinates. Here we have coordinates 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, root 2, 4 root 2 and 1, 1. Here 0, 2, 2, 0, these are x and y. These are the coordinates. So x, y. This is given. So we'll check one by one which of the following satisfies the equation. If it is satisfying the equation, that means this point is the solution of the equation. So first point is 0, 2. So here we will put the values of x and y in LHS. Put x minus 2y. We'll put the values x is equal to 0 minus 2 into 2. It will be minus 4. But RHS is plus 4. So this is not a solution. Not a solution. Now second point is 2, 0. So put it in LHS. 2, that means x will be 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, and right, RHS is 4, so this is also not a solution. Third point is 4, 0. So x will be 4, y is 0. Just put it. LHS is equal to 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4, and RHS is also 4, so this is a solution. Next point, root 2, 4 root 2. We'll put the values x root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2, but this is not equal to 4, so this is also not a solution. Now next point is 1, 1. So just put the values. 1 minus 2 into 1, it is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and this is not equal to 4, so this point is also not a solution. So in the next video we will see that different kind of questions we will get in solving this chapter. Thank you. If you